Well, I just got home from work and I'm pretty excited. Finally in the mail came my little soprano fretboard. I got two, and this one is actually the straighter of the two, so I'm going to use it for this project. Yeah, I do believe it's maple. I was incorrect when I said earlier I called this maple. Turns out it's basswood. And okay, so the first thing I notice is that the wooden fretboard is just a little bit wider than the plastic fretboard. So there's going to be a bit of sanding when I put this on. But I mean, check that out. That right there, that looks like an instrument. And there we go. Good stuff. Feels good. It's the frets are very shiny, very smooth, and very low. If you can see a little bit, they're tiny ukulele frets for small instruments. Looks really nice. Got obviously a machine, probably they tap that against probably a very long belt sander. Nice and consistent all the way down. Even this side. And they've got a bit of a bevel on them. They do feel a little edgy. I don't know how to say it. I had a guitar once that the frets were bad. They cut your fingers. And I'm not doing that on these, so that's nice. A little bit of fine sandpaper on the edges. Get some of those tools for beveling these. They're already beveled a little bit if you can make it out. So I'm really excited. I'm ready to move on to the next stage of the project. I mean, look at this. It just jumps on there and wants to settle at the 12th fret. So that's nice. I just got to get the bridge out and make sure I have the right placement. Sorry, the nut, not the bridge. Gotta get the bridge also, but the nut, and get the right placement here. Oh, that's real nice. I'm gonna put it right there. So get a little bit and mark it. And that's where that'll go. That's where that'll go. Wrote the word nut on it, so the rest of this will just be fretboard, and we'll glue it up real nice. Okay, I've outlined where the fretboard will go. You can print it on there, just really fine with some little mechanical pencil. Okay. Took a little bit of finagling, but there we go. You don't see any daylight through that. Next, I prepare the ukulele for spray painting. I've placed tape over the areas that I will need to glue, and hopefully I'll be able to choose a nice spray paint and turn this into a glossy something pretty. Let's see what happens.